Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to schedule Instagram post. So how you can do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure that you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the post section or just tap the plus icon. And in here, select any picture you want. Suppose I want to post this one, and then tap on next. And here, scroll down and you will find the option of more options. Scroll down. And if you can't find the option of scheduling or scheduling your Instagram post, it means you don't have a professional or public or business account. So you must need a business account to make a schedulized post, and you will find the option in here, and then you can make a schedule post and set the time. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.